Students, today we'll learn how to create hyperlink between two web pages using an image. That means after creating the linked hyperlink through the image, we'll be able to jump from one web page to other web page through the image. Let us do it step by step. For this, I'll show you with one existing file that I have already made. Let's say this one is one page, web page I have made. Already we have done this one. So we'll make a new web page. For this, we have to open the notepad and there we have to type this text codes as already I have typed. And you see, for this, for getting the link, hyperlink, we need href attribute with anchor tag, a tag, and then show you in this portion we'll have src, image src, plus a tag. That means we'll have image. The hyperlink will be the image, and here, as you know, we'll have to give the file, the web page where we'll jump to. For this, again, the image source, img src, that means here we need the image file name with which link is to be created. These are the main tags. Now we'll have to put the file name as well as the image name here. So I'll show you, minimize it, and then at first we'll go to the image and search out the image in the computer. As usual, go to the sample picture. Let's say we'll insert this image. For inserting this one, you'll have to bring the image to the same location. That means the HTML folder that I have used for saving all the web pages or other files. So I have kept the image in the same location. Now, go to the, again, notepad and see here we want the image name. For this, you see the image tulips. If you go to the properties of the image, you can see that it is a JPG type image. So in the existing notepad here, we'll have to type tulip.jpg. Typing should be correct. The name of the image, the spelling should be tulips, should be tulips.jpg, should be correct. As well as here we need the web page where we have to jump. And for this, I told you that already existing one web page I will use, page 2. Let us see what we have. Simple web page it is, and we'll have to use this page 2. For this, go to the existing notepad. Here you have to give the name of the web page where we have to jump. HTML page2.html, name should be, spelling should be correct, page2.html. And what we have typed, you see, href equal to page2.html, this page where we'll jump to after clicking on this image. But along with image tag, actually, you should add two properties to get a smaller size of the image. Sorry, width not, should be the value in pixel. Let's say 200, height HEI GST equals to 300. I have used height and width attribute along with the SRC attribute of the image tag so that we can get a smaller size image than the original size. After typing all the related codes, our next step is to save it. As you know how to save, actually all the files as I'm keeping on the same location, that means HTML class folder. That's why to bring the location here, go to the location and then go to the all files and then save the page 3. Let's say page3.html. HTML, don't forget to give .html. This will save it. It is page3.html. So from the codes, what we have done, it is page3.html and this page is linked with page2.html. Now close it and you have to see what will happen. Now see, double click on the page 3 and see, if you bring the cursor to the over the image, then cursor symbol will get changed to this small hand size image, and once you get this image, you will know that there is a link. There is a link, that means once you click on the image, you see we have got a new web page. You can go again and see, this is the image. Click on this, as you have got the small hand size hand symbol, that means there's a link. Click on this image and use the page number, page 2. This is page, another web page. The image, first web page, the second web page. So this way we can create link, hyperlink between two web pages using image. Thank you.